Hi everyone, welcome back. Arc Trading here. Hope everyone had a pretty good Monday, or at least a little better than my Monday. So down about 1 hour today. I actually live traded for the first time this morning too. So kind of just to get into it, both watching NQ and ES. Looking at the 5 minutes, Asia London lows got swept. And just to show the rules on what I'm following right now for my trading. So the first fair value gap that gets inverted and that's not stacked, uh, basically taking the entry after the candle close for like example one on MNQ. So we dipped all the way down, and right at open, the opening candle actually closed above this fair value gap right here, inverted it. So I got in long at like 15,874 and a half, risking off the swing low and then going for 1R. As soon as it got into entry, just took me out basically. So that was already negative 1R. And then ES as well was a little bit later. ES was definitely holding a little bit stronger than NQ. NQ was kind of just bringing it down a little bit. But unfortunately, Mondays are, for me personally, not my best days. But just playing the numbers at this point, win, lose, it doesn't really matter for me. Long haul, if the numbers are playing out, that's the main goal. With ES, there was a stacked fair value gap. So every time there's at least two stacked fair value gaps, I wait until both get mitigated. And as soon as that fair value gap inverts, then I'll take a long. So ES got in at 45.76 and a half, risking that swing low. And then took a little longer than NQ, but eventually stopped me out. So that was at negative 2R. And then I did take a third trade. That was more discretionary on NQ. So kind of just to show it here. So I've been also looking at the 950 to the 1010 macro time. NQ works a little bit better for this one. I'll still take it. It's just the opportunity didn't present itself today on ES on the 1 minute. So right here, as soon as market opened, we're downtrending, and I figured there was going to be a little bit of a retracement up. So after about like 950, there was this 1 minute fair value gap right here, and as soon as it touched into it, I got in at 15,837, risking this swing low, and then went for 2R on this one. This I should have taken at least 4 contracts. I ended up taking 3. And I'll show you the overall executions right now too. So even though it would have been a break-even day, I'm technically down 1R. So it's not a big deal. I usually give myself a max of 4R loss, or about like 1,600 loss for the day, for the max. Today was like a little less than 400. Well, 400 including commission. So just to kind of show you executions right here. So MNQ on the 5 minute right here at 15,874.50, and then just took me out off the bat. And then this 1 minute inversion got it at 15,837, took it out at 15,865.50. So just for 2R, and good thing it was just only 2R because it would have stopped me out anyways. And then just to show ES right here, got in at 45.76 and a half, and then stopped out 45.63. So a little bit of a loss just to show the results right here. Yeah, about roughly 400. Like I said, I usually give myself about 1,600 max loss for the day. I'll try to focus on the 2 5-minute inversions, the ones that like the one strategy that's pretty much mechanical, and then I'll also give myself 2 discretionary trades. Typically when I take a discretionary trade, it's going to be the 950 to 1010 macro time. So like this, for example, that one works really well. Doesn't show up as often. Pretty much the 5 minute shows up every day. But if I see it, I'll definitely take it. And all of these trades were executed live today. Like I said, today was my first streaming session. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or eventually I would want to do voiceover on the streaming, just kind of getting used to it as of now. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Any questions, feel free to comment below. All right, thanks everyone. Bye.